Mama here, and today I'm doing a pop unboxing for you. Blizzard had a bunch of pops on sale, so I dug right in and ordered a whole whack load of them because they were really cheap. Like $2.50 for normal pops and I think $4.25 for a large pop. So I went ahead and ordered a bunch, so we're just going to dig right in and check them out. I already have opened this box because I want to double check everything before. But we'll dig right in. Get rid of all of the wrapping stuff. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm really bad with names, so I'm probably going to pronounce a lot of these wrong. Just a heads up. Most of these are WoW Pops, and there is a couple Diablo and a StarCraft. So we'll dig right in. First off is Sylvanas. I haven't played WoW in forever, so she's awesome. Absolutely love her. And then there's the Murloc, which again, absolutely awesome. I'm gonna have to find homes for these. I'm not sure where I'm putting them yet. My kids have already tried to claim a couple, so I'm definitely gonna have to figure out where I'm putting them. And I'm not gonna try to pronounce his name because I'm not gonna get it right. I want to say Illidan, but I'm not sure. So absolutely amazing pop. I love the detail on this one. Look at that. Look at those arms. I love it. And this one is just awesomely detailed. I know it won't show too well on here, but like his armor is amazing. And so far all the boxes have been in pretty good shape. Absolutely love these pops. That's StarCraft. Trying to do it so that I do all the WoW pops first and then the other ones. Okay, it looks like we're just on to the movie guys now. We got Organ. He is awesome. And of course, under 10. I'm so happy with these pops. And then we got King Lan. Or Lan, I'm not sure how that's pronounced. Absolutely awesome. And then Luthor, I'm not sure how that's pronounced. I know I'm probably going to get ridiculed because I cannot read these, so I cannot pronounce them properly. So I'm just guessing. Absolutely amazing pops. And then the last WoW pop. Ready? Deathwing. Look at this boy. He is huge. I cannot believe he was only like $4.25. Absolutely love him. The detail on his face is absolutely awesome. And his body. The paint job on him seems to be pretty spot on. I don't see any flaws. I haven't had a chance to take any of them out and play with them and check them out yet. But absolutely awesome. And then I have 3 more. This one here is from StarCraft. Kerrigan, I think. Absolutely awesome. And such fast shipping too, because I ordered this on the sale less than a week ago and I got it. So last two pops are, I cannot pronounce his name. I want to say Tyrell, but I'm probably wrong. But I've always loved the look of this pop. I've wanted him for a while. So when he came on the sale, I was like, yep. Blizzard's games is awesome, of course. So, and the last one is, of course, Diablo. Look at him. Absolutely love him. A bunch of stuff had sales going on the other day. So I've picked up a bunch of pops because I got some from Hot Topic the other day, which were awesome. I will probably do a video at some point on that. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so those are my Blizzard Pop box. Absolutely loved it. I got, I think, 12 pops altogether in that box. Definitely worth it. Very fast shipping. They were only packed with the paper here, but there seems to be no damage, and they were really well put into the box. So absolutely love it. Awesome. Now I'm just gonna have to find homes for all these guys and pick up the last few I'm missing for the set, because I need Gorgana, I think that's how you pronounce her name, Gorgana, to complete this set. And I think Jim Raynor are the only ones I'm missing from the other ones, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But absolutely awesome. I'm going to be keeping my eye out for those two just to complete the sets, because I like to complete sets. Totally forgot to do my outro, so here we go. That's everything in the box. I hope you really liked it. I will put the information for the Blizzard Game Shop down in the description below, so you go ahead, click it, like it, and get anything. If I'm not sure if their sale is still on or not. But go ahead and click it and check it out, because you never know. They have some awesome pops there. While you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook and that. And as always, have a great one. Bye.
Hey everybody, and thanks for watching. Click that like and give me a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and over and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Any and all links are in the description below. Cheers and have a good one.